Introduce new ideas of ash removal equipment. DPF cleaning equipment. This is DPFC-500 user manual. Open the DPF support. Fixing with the enclosed bolt. Put and fix the DPF. Connect the device to match the type of DPF. Flange type should be taken care of a little. Don't adjust the center but adjust it to its size. Check before tightening. Mounted on equipment. If you don't steer this way at the time of cleaning, it cannot be fixed to the equipment. Set up the DPF vertically and then they rotate. Prepare the medicine and add it until the DPF is half full. Wait about 20 minutes. The very polluted DPF is. Add another 10 minutes or so. Release the chemicals. This will reuse other vehicles. Turn the DPF to the left or right. Connecting the compression hose. Return hose connection. Power connection. Equipment air pressure settings 5 bar plus minus 1 bar. Timer has a 10-minute setting. It drives about 70 times plus minus 5 times. Operation starts when switch is changed in auto mode. This is Jeep Grand Cherokee DPF warning indicator illuminated in the dashboard to be worn. Only see the ash. The purpose of the DPF cleaning is not to remove black carbon soot. The aim is to remove the hidden ash within the DPF. Rinse with 2 liters of water. White smoke reduction effect. Drain and repeat cleaning for 10 minutes. Thanks you.